Greetings everyone. This is Pranav Pawar with the team Mayur Shinde, Mansi Savar and Veda Nayak presenting before you a big data analysis on the topic mental health. The contents of the project are problem statement, block diagram of the project, implementation, results, conclusion. Talking about the problem statement, big data analysis has played a vital role in the healthcare system in the last few years. This big data analysis has given a push to all the scientists and doctors who have been working vigorously in improving the health strategies, medical researches, and patients' care. In this project, by analyzing the raw data collected in the form of surveys conducted by the open source mental illness from the year 2016 to 2020, the trends observed in the surveys are studied to help the companies keep a track on their employees' mental health. So moving on to the block diagram, where we have 5 major steps. First is importing the libraries, in which we include NumPy, Seaborn, Pandas, and Matplotlib. Next step is importing the data set, where we have used the OSMI survey data set, that is the open source mental illness surveys from the year 2016 to the year 2020. Then we concatenate the data sets, that is we merge all the 4 data sets from 2016 to 2020 and work on them simultaneously. The fourth step is cleansing the data, where we remove all the incorrect, null values and the duplicancy within our data sets. And the last step includes the analysis, where we represent the different types of trends that we have ordered on our dataset. Presented before you is the dataset collection of OSMI survey of 2016. Next we have the year 2017, followed by 2018, 2019 and 2020. For any analysis, we need to first process the data. For this, we include concatenation and cleansing of the data. First is concatenating. It basically means merging all the data sets, and here we have merged 5 data sets from the year 2016 to 2020. Next is the cleansing. There were missing values in the data sets which were hindering the analysis of the data, so it was necessary to be cleaned. For this, we have removed all the duplicate columns and emptied the features. This is then exported and saved as a CSV file. Presented before you is the cleaned dataset. In this, we have removed all the unnecessary features and presented before you a cleaned data. So after importing, concatenating, cleansing, we have finally obtained the result of our analysis, in which we have the first result presented to you, which is on the general topic of the employees employed by the company. Our next analysis is made on the employees that have access to seek assistance related to mental illness. Our third analysis is made for the people who have diagnosed with mental health disorder. Our next analysis is made on the mental health issues faced by the age groups. In this, the least issues are faced by 0 to 20 years old. Most of the issues are faced from the age of 65 to 100, and a moderate level issues can be seen from the age of 31 to 65. Our fifth analysis is made on the employees that are open and willing to discuss the mental health issues faced by them. Most of the analysis says somewhat open, after which we have the sixth analysis on the count of the people who have family history of mental illness. Our seventh analysis is made on the count of the people who prefer to keep their identity as anonymous. And our eighth observation is on the people who have their treatment for the diagnosed mental disorder covered in their insurance. Finally, we can conclude that a large number of responses are from USA and developed countries. Most of the people have insurance claimed for the mental health. Less number of analysis can be seen for seeking help for a mental health condition. A large number of analysis can be seen for the mental health disorders like PTSD, anxiety, depression, etc. More females report to have history of mental health illness in the family. People who do not identify themselves with either the male or female sex group have a much higher incidence of mental health disorder. That's all from our side. Thank you.